Guys, we want to reduce 32 over 80, and then we want to reduce 54 over 81. So like we said before, once you're solving for fractions, your final answers have to be in the lowest terms possible, okay? So if you take 32 over 80, as 32 is an even number and 80 is an even number, you automatically know that 2 can go into those two numbers evenly. So you can always start from there. Somebody could have looked at it and say, you know what, probably let me just try 4, okay? But your multiplication tables will definitely be your best friend in these cases. So let's go with the 2. So 2 can divide into these two numbers evenly, right? So that means what? That means 2 goes into 3 one time. So you carry 1, and that gives you 12. So 2 goes into 12 6 times. So you have 16 left here. So that means 32 divided by 2 gives you 16, correct? And then in this case, 80 divided by 2 will give you what? 40. We all know that because 2 goes into 8 4 times, and they just carry the 0. No big deal, right? And then you have 16 and 40 over here. So what's going to happen again over here? You look at it, you see, okay, 2 can still go because 2 is an even, 16 is an even number, 40 is an even number. So 2 can go into those two also evenly. Or even better, we know that 16 can divide 4, and then 40 can divide 4. So that you want to go higher as much as you can so that you can finish quicker. However, if you're not quick at it, no problem. So even though we know 4 can go, we're not going to use 4. Let's go with 2. All right? So 2 can divide into 16, and 2 can divide into 40. So what would that give us? So this one will give us 8 over 20. We're getting closer, correct? So in this case also, you can still see this is an even number. 2 can still do the job. So that means what? That means divided by 2, divided by 2, and then this is 4 over 10. Are you finished? No, because 2 can still go. So it is divided by 2, divided by 2, and then you get in 2 over 5, which is going to be your final answer because there's no other number, that can go into those two numbers evenly. All right? So this is how we actually reduce fractions, taking your time and then getting it right. Once you know what to do, now you can go quicker. Like we said, somebody could have seen that 4 is good. Somebody could have seen that 8 is good. Somebody could have seen that 16 is even, the number that can go into those two numbers evenly. Okay? So let's come to this one here. 54 over 81. So what can we use here? The number on the top is an even number. The number at the bottom is an odd number. So when you look at them, you cannot say that 2 is going to go into both of them evenly. You can't. So is it 3? So you can try. So can 3 divide these two numbers evenly? So you go ahead and then you work it out. Okay? So you say 54 and 3 divided by 3. So how many times? 3 goes into 5 one time. And then, you carry 2. So that's 24. And then that goes 8 times. So that means 54 divided by 3 is 18. Over, so 81 divided by 16. So you do the same thing. 3 goes into 8 twice, and then 21 left. 3 goes into 21 7 times. So here you are. So this gives you 18 over 27. But are you finished? No, because you can still continue. One number can go, so 2 still cannot be used. So can you use 3? Let's go at it. So divided by 3, divided by 3. 3 goes into 18 how many times? 6 times. What about 27? 3 goes into 27 9 times. Okay? So then, can you go further than that? One number can you use again? Another 3. So 3 again for both of them, right? And then 3 goes into 6 twice, and 3 goes into 9 3 times. So you end up with 2/3, which is your final answer in this case. So again, we're just doing this because we know that's the easiest one to go by. But again, once you know what you're doing, you do not have to go 3, 3, 3, 3. You can go faster. And especially, again, for those who know your multiplication tables, it helps you to go even faster, very quick here. All right?